Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial session. Today we will discuss about the different commands in DOS that is left and how to do it that and by doing this practical session we are able to understand how in Windows we are doing these things so easily. We can differentiate which are the command we will learn dir command. Okay, next one cd command. Next, third one is cd dot dot command. Fourth one is the md command. Next one is rd command, then del command, then move command, copy command. Okay, now start. So what we will do, we will launch the start from the, we are using Windows 7, that's why from accessories you have to go to command prompt, and from the command prompt you are able to see this one. Okay, but if you are not, if you are using higher version, just write cmd, it will be open the command prompt. Okay. Okay, for the purpose of this training, the practical demonstration session, we are treating the directory and folder as our same. Okay, same. So in this lecture session, I am treating directory and folder both in the same way. Okay, let's start with the first command, that is cd command or cd dot dot command. It's better to start with. So what is the function of the cd dot dot command? So cd dot dot command will help us to change the directory or going back to the previous directory here. So we are currently in count. If we are pressing c dot dot, so what will happen? We are moving to the user, okay, user folder or directories. Again, if we press c dot dot, then what will happen? Again we are going back to c drive. Okay, C folder or directory, whatever you want to say. What is C folder or C directory? It is the main directory or main, you can say main drive in your computer. You're able to see the C drive, that one. Okay, see this one. Okay, it is the same that I am here showing. Okay, this one. Okay, this number of files and everything is there in the particular C drive in my computer. That will be reflected here also if you use this different command to show. Okay, the next command is dir command. Dir command is to show the directory, list of the directory present in this particular drive and as well as the files. Okay, so number of files or number of directories. Okay, so now we are typing dir. If you press enter, what will happen? See, all the folders, it means all the directories are there and the files is everything is there. Okay, the count it will also show. See here, 1 files and 6 directories are there over here. Okay, so just check this one, this name Intel, and check match with this one also. Okay, program files is there, user is there, check here also. Proflox, Intel, program file, everything is there. Okay, whatever showcases in that in the Windows, it is there in your C drive, that will be reflected here also. Okay, now next one is the cd command. Okay, this command is allow you to change or switch the one directory to another one. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Okay, now we are moving to the user folders first. Okay, so how to go to the user folders, where you want to, so cd, that cd and then the folder name, the which folder you want to go. So I am writing user, so now I am in user. Okay, now we will want to move to the count folder. So what we will do, cd then count. Okay, now if you press enter, then now we are in count folder. Okay, now if you want to run the dir command in this particular directory or folder, whatever the files and everything will be there, it will show you. See here, total number of directories or folders here, in case of Windows it is folders. See, 16s are there. So now moving from the user, moving to the count, and see number of folders over here in Windows, that will reflect it as a number of directory in the command prompt. Okay, see, same number of folders is over here. Okay, next is md command. Okay, so what is the purpose of a md command? Md command is used to create the directory or the folder. Okay, so okay, just focus on the background, the blue background, because while I'm creating the folder, it will be reflected in the desktop as well. So concentrate on this. Okay, so now what we will do, first we will do cd, then the desktop. So I am going to the desktop first. Okay, so desktop I'm moving. Okay, so cd desktop I am doing. So right now I am in desktop. Okay, so now I in the desktop I am creating a directory, that is md, and I am giving the directory name as test folder. Okay, and I am pressing folder. What will happen, see, as soon as in the Windows background, in the desktop background, it is created, this folder or is created. Okay, this is a very easy command. Okay, now next easy command is rd command. So what is the function of the rd command? To remove the directory. See, it is a test folder is there in the desktop. When I will write rd and the test folder, what will happen? It will be removed. Okay, disappear from the background. You are able to see that one. Discuss about the three different commands. Okay, that is move command, del command, and the copy command is left. That the three one we will discuss. Okay. Okay, so what is the function of a copy command? What actually copy means in Windows? That copy one text file to another text file. We have done it here easily. Here we have to do the same thing but in a different way by using command. Delete is to delete the text or the text file, and move is to one from one folder to another folder, that I am moving the things. Here also I can do. Okay, now for we are creating a text document in the desktop, that is I am renaming it as text file. It is there in the desktop. Okay, I am placing it in the desktop. Okay, now I am again recreating the test folder. I have deleted earlier, removed earlier, so now I am recreating it. So what we will do, so the md test folders. Okay, so I have recreated it, is again coming in the desktop background. So next step is what, that the text file I want to copy and paste it in the new test folder. Okay, so what to do, so the keyword is copy. Okay, next what actually we want to copy, the particular file. So the file name is textfile.txt. each and every time you have to mention the file extension also. Now the destination path where we want to paste it. Okay, so that is in the test folder. So then I will write down the test folder. Okay, so don't forget to put that extension of the file. Okay, so copy, then the file name, and then the folder on the destination name. So enter, see, one file is copied. Okay, so how to check? Okay, now I am moving to the test folder. Okay, see the directory, and check that is any directory or files is there. See, two directories are there and one files are there. Okay, okay, so name of the file is what? So then checking and see, yes, it is already copied in the test folder. Okay, now we are focusing on the test folder. Okay, now I'm moving back, okay, to the desktop, and then we will perform the next one. So cd dot dot to do using, so and I'm using desktop. Now okay, so it is there in the desktop, the test file is there in the desktop, you are able to see. Now I'm deleting. Okay, so deleting command is del command. Okay, space and the file name that you want to delete. Okay, that is test dot txt. Okay, so as soon as you delete it, see in the desktop background it is deleted or disappear or deleted. Okay, okay, now I'm cleaning up the whole thing because then it will be messier. Okay, next we will show you the move command. Okay, okay, so see in the folder it is there, but in the from the desktop it is removed, that is test file is removed. Okay, okay, so move command function is to move from one folder to another one. Okay, so now we will change that one. So cd first we are moving. Okay, cd, and the whole pathway I'm giving because I want to go to the actual location. So the whole pathway I am giving where I want to go. That is, I want to go in a desktop. So yes, and the whole location I am giving in a desktop. So currently I am in desktop, and dir I am checking any files are there or not. No files, only 3 directories are there. Okay, it is checked. Okay, so what we will do now, I am moving into the test folder. So right now I am from test folder. From the test folder, and it is showing, see, I am doing dir command, it is showing one file is there. Okay, so it is there in the it is not there in the desktop, but is there in the test folder. From the test move the text file that we want to move, then the destination path where we want to move, because it is there in the folder but it is not there in the desktop only. So I have given, okay, oh, one minute, okay, there is a mistake. Instead of test file I have written the text one, so that's why. Okay, so that's why I'm changing it, and you're able to see. Okay, so as soon as I have changed, so see, one file is moved. Okay, so from folder, but from the particular folder it is, see, in the folder it is not there, but in the desktop it is showing. Okay, no, now one more time I'm moving this one. Okay, so I'm going to the desktop CD, then the user, and then now in a C drive. Okay, now we will move. Okay, so move, then the destination I am given in, then the path, current pathway where actually there. Okay, so while you doing the mentioning the pathway, just be very specific. If there is any problem is there, then it will not move your file. Okay, so first I have given the test files. Okay, the whole pathway, this file is exist. Okay, this is a format. So where actually this particular file is there, so you have to write down the whole pathway. Okay, this is a source, and now we have to mention the destination and pathway as is, and where I want to move that one. Okay, so right now I am writing C:/user, then the count, then desktop. From that the folder will be there. Okay,
test folder,
then test folder.
that's where we want to send this
Okay,
file to.
if you press and enter, okay, so this is the total process. Okay,
to the destination.
now
Enter.
see, one file is
You can see in
moved.
the background
Okay,
the test file disappeared.
moved.
If you click this,
Here in the folder, if you will see, yes, it is there in the folder. So this is how we can move one file from one folder to another. Thank you, student. I'm ending my lecture.